Welcome back to day 42 of our Confidence to Cash Sprint. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. We're going to dive into one of our favorite topics, multiple income streams, because here's the truth. One income stream gives you the stability, but multiple income streams give you freedom. And freedom is where we're going to be building for you. When I was teaching full time, I remember looking at my paycheck and thinking, how's this ever going to get me to time freedom? I was working hard, but I only had one stream of income, and that stream was tied to my time. When I entered into the digital space, I realized something powerful. Successful people don't just rely on one stream, they create multiple streams. Think about it like this. If one stream dries up and the other one keeps flowing, that's not just smart, that's stability. And it doesn't mean that you need 10 different jobs. It means that you build layers within your income that work together. Affiliate income, digital products, community memberships, and passive offers. You don't chase anymore. You are building wisely. I want you to take a piece of paper and write down across the top my income streams. Now make 3 columns. 1 is your current income stream. What's really already working for you? Number 2, your potential income streams. What can I align with my skills or my passions? And number 3, your faith goals. What and where do I want my income to be in 6 months from now? The simple exercise will open your eyes to the opportunities that you may not even see right now. Maybe you're already part of an affiliate program and could expand that. Maybe you could package your knowledge into a mini course. Or maybe it's time to launch a community that creates recurring income for you. You don't need to do them all. Just start with one. And remember, you were never meant to live paycheck to paycheck. You were meant to live purpose to purpose. When you diversify your income and you multiply the impact, think about this. God can't bless what you don't build. So take the first step in faith and trust that more is coming. So here's for day 42 challenge. List your current future income streams. Even if it's just one, it is just the idea right now. Write down, speak it out, and pray over it. Then don't forget to grab day 42 worksheet below. It will give you and help you organize and visualize your income plan so that you can see the growth where it can happen. So comment below and tell me one new income stream that you're praying to add to your income streams this year. And be sure to subscribe, because tomorrow on day 43, we're going to break down the 4 main types of digital income. And you're going to finally see which one fits your lifestyle the best.